Right now, as you're watching this, a star called Betelgeuse is dying. And when it goes, it will create an explosion so violent that you'll be able to see it from Earth in broad daylight. Scientists in 2025 confirmed that Betelgeuse has been dimming and brightening erratically, and some researchers believe the explosion could happen within our lifetime. But here's what nobody is telling you. Betelgeuse sits about 700 light-years away in the constellation Orion. You've seen it before, that bright reddish dot on Orion's shoulder. What you didn't know is that this star is roughly 764 times the size of our Sun. If you placed it where our Sun is right now, it would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and stretch almost to Jupiter. That's not a star, that's a monster. Now here's where it gets controversial. Some astronomers say Betelgeuse could explode tomorrow. Others say it won't happen for another 100,000 years. The truth is, nobody knows for certain, and that uncertainty is what should concern you. In late 2019, Betelgeuse went through what scientists called the Great Dimming. A massive chunk of its surface ejected into space, cooling and forming a dust cloud that blocked its light. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope captured this event, and researchers at the University of Tokyo published findings in 2024, suggesting this kind of activity means Betelgeuse is in its final evolutionary stages, burning through carbon in its core. Once that fuel runs out, the core collapses in seconds, and you get a supernova. When Betelgeuse explodes, it will briefly shine as bright as the full moon. For about 2 weeks, you will see it during the day. At night, it will cast shadows. That sounds beautiful, until you realize what comes with it. A supernova releases more energy in a few seconds than our Sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. We're talking about neutrinos flooding through your body, gamma rays shooting across space, and an expanding shockwave that will reshape everything around it for light years. Now the big question everyone avoids. Could it hurt us? At 700 light years away, most scientists say no. The gamma radiation would be absorbed long before reaching Earth. But a 2023 study from the University of Illinois raised an uncomfortable point. If Betelgeuse's rotational axis is pointed closer to Earth than we think, the focused jet of a supernova could interact with our ozone layer. The probability is extremely low, but it's not zero. Here's what's truly mind-bending. Because Betelgeuse is 700 light-years away, if the explosion already happened 699 years ago, the light from that explosion is racing toward us right now, and we'd have no warning. You could walk outside tomorrow morning and see 2 suns in the sky. The universe doesn't wait for us to be ready. Follow this page because I break down events like this every single week. Do you think Betelgeuse has already exploded and we just don't know it yet?